Look at this channel. Almost every video has gained millions of views and attracted a huge number of subscribers. The good news is that creating this type of content is much easier than you might think. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create viral Iron Football AI videos using ChatGPT and Edimakor. Let's get started. Step 1. Get the prompts first. Open ChatGPT and paste the prompt template I provided in the description into the chat box, then hit enter. ChatGPT will automatically generate everything you need, including image prompts, video prompts, and voiceover scripts for your Iron Football AI video. Step 2. Create the images. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. Simply visit the official website, download the software, and install it on your computer. Now launch Edimakor and click New Project. Go to AI Image Generator, choose Text to Image. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Seedream 5 model to generate all of the images. Next, copy the image prompt generated by ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. After that, adjust the resolution and aspect ratio, then click Generate. After a short wait, your Iron Football AI image will be created automatically. Step 3. Generate the videos. Now select the image generated by Edimakor, right-click it, and choose Image to Video. Edimakor offers a wide selection of advanced AI video generation models, allowing you to experiment and compare different outputs to find the style that works best for your content. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Kling 3 model to generate all the videos. Next, copy the video prompt generated by ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. Then adjust the duration and mode settings, then clicking Generate. After the generation is complete.
Who stole my football shoes? Messi! Where are they? I don't know. Speed, I didn't the truth. Tell me.
Step 4. Export the video. Finally, move to the right side control panel and click Export to save your completed video. As an added bonus, if you upload your video to YouTube and include the Edimakor AI tag, you may even receive additional credits from Edimakor. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now go download Edimakor and start creating your own Iron Football AI videos. Who knows, your next video could be the one that reaches millions of views and helps your channel grow faster than ever before.